you are the reason I'm losing sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing.
Today, I turned 24, and my life feels like a fairy tale, simple, yet filled with moments that feel magical. I'm surrounded by the countryside, where the wind dances through the trees, and the world seems to slow down just for me.
Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
Right now, I'm soaking in the beauty of this life I've built. It's not perfect, but it's mine, and it feels like something out of a story where even the smallest details, like the warmth of the sun or the softness of the breeze, carry a kind of quiet magic.
I defeated the dark. I spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you and fix what I broke.
24 feels like a new chapter, a continuation of a tale that's unfolding in ways I never imagined. I'm learning, growing, and cherishing every little moment. Here is to another year of living a fairy tale, of finding joy in small things, and of simply being. Welcome, 24.
I climb every mountain and swim every ocean, just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. Georgia, right.